So itong kwentong ibabahagi ko ngayon, applicable to sa lahat ng mga tumatakbo, especially sa mga nagsisimula pa lang at yung mga nagbabalak tumakbo or gustong subukan yung hobby or sabihin na nating sport na running. So ito'y conversation ng isang coach saka ng isang runner. Nakita ko lang din to. Gusto ko lang ibahagi para magkaroon tayo ng awareness. Lalong-lalo na yun nga, yung mga baguhan. Sabi ng runner, "Coach, why do I keep getting injured?" Sabi niya, "I stretch. I rest." Nag-stretching daw siya, nagpapahinga naman siya. But something always hurts. Palagi daw may masakit. Tapos sagot ng coach, ganito. The coach looked at the runner and asked, "What do you do when you are not running?" Sabi niya, "Ano bang ginagawa mo kung hindi ka tumatakbo?" Napaisip yung runner. Sabi ng runner, "What do you mean? Ano bang ibig mong sabihin?" Tapos sinagot ng coach, "Are you strength training? Are you working your mobility? Running is not just about running." Tandaan niyo tong part na to. It is about building a body that can handle running. If your core is weak, if your hips are tight, if your glutes are not strong enough, your body will compensate. And compensation leads to injury. Tapos, dinagdagan pa niya. The best runners, they prepare their bodies to run well. Tandaan nyo yan, strength training, hindi yan afterthought na dapat nyong subukan lang kung na-injury na kayo. Kasi hindi lang yan nakakatulong in terms of yung sa speed nyo, sa running economy, pero it prepares your body to handle the stress na involved sa running.